today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 affiliate marketing tools. There are so many must-have tools out there and it can get very overwhelming fast. So instead, I want to make this super simple. If you've been wanting to start making affiliate income, but you don't know what platforms matter or how to even begin building that system, you're in the right place. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and today we're going to walk through the tools that actually move the needle, why they matter, and how to use them without getting lost in complicated marketing setups. By the end of this video, you're going to feel clear on what tools you need and how to get started today. What affiliate marketing really means. So affiliate marketing is when you share products or services, and if someone signs up or buys through that link, you get paid. But here's the truth that so many people skip. Affiliate marketing is not just posting links and hoping someone clicks. That almost never works. It's really about trust, consistency, and having a simple flow that brings people into your world, gives them value, and naturally introduces the tools you believe in. These 5 tools help build that ecosystem in a clean and doable way, even if you're a beginner and don't have a giant audience. Tool number 1 is Beehiiv. So Beehiiv is your email home base, and email matters so much because your list is the one thing you truly own. Social platforms can change, your reach can drop, and trends can shift, but an email lets you speak directly to the people you actually want to hear from. Beehiiv feels really clean, simple, and beginner friendly. You can start a newsletter, customize your sign up page, and create a welcome email without needing to be a tech person. I love it for beginners because it really removes the overwhelm that most email platforms create. So here is a simple way to use Beehiiv to start affiliate marketing. Step 1, you'll want to create your free account. We do have a link down in the description below. And then you'll want to name your newsletter. So keep it super simple, maybe weekly digital tools or online business tips, whatever aligns with your niche. If you want to get signed up for Beehiiv, again, we have that link down below, and you can actually get 20% off for your first 3 months after your free 30-day trial. Okay, now what it looks like on the inside is this. So it's very, very simple. You can click start writing. They've got a bunch of templates you can choose from. This is where all of your audience will live. So we've got subscribers, segments, automations, polls, surveys, subscribe forms. You actually can even monetize on your newsletter with this platform, which is pretty cool. Not many of them do that. You can even create a little landing page, and then you can look at all of your analytics, which is also really important. After you name your weekly newsletter, the next step is to create your sign up page. So just write 1 or 2 lines about what people get if they subscribe. So all you'll do is go to the subscribe forms, and then you'll create a new subscribe form right here, and you can customize it completely. Then the next step is to write your first. Keep it short, thank them for joining, and set the tone for what the newsletter is about. Step number 4 is to send 1 email a week. Share something helpful you learned, a lesson, or a resource. Slow, steady trust wins here. This is enough to begin building an audience who is open to your recommendations. Tool number 2 is ActiveCampaign. So ActiveCampaign is also an email system, but it's a tool that I recommend once you start growing and want a bit more automation. With Beehiiv, you're sending more manual emails. With ActiveCampaign, you can actually set up automated journeys to actually nurture your audience on autopilot. If your long-term vision is to treat this like a real business, automation becomes really, really helpful because it saves time and builds relationships even when you're not writing emails live. But a really simple way to start here and actually get emails is to create a free resource that someone can sign up for. For example, if your niche is marketing, it could be 5 tools to start making money online checklist. When someone signs up, they automatically receive a short email sequence that introduces you and shares valuable tips over a few days. Keep it really natural, honest, and helpful. Then at the end of the sequence, or even in the middle of it, you can include a few affiliate links for 1 or 2 tools that you talked about. You're not really hard selling here, you're just simply guiding and educating, and the affiliate link becomes a natural next step. If you want to get started with ActiveCampaign, we do have a link down in the description below, and you can get started on a free trial. Tool number 3, probably my favorite tool, is Canva. It's where your visuals and branding really come to life. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, Canva makes everything easier. You can make Instagram graphics, Pinterest pins, YouTube thumbnails, ebooks, resource guides, and even banner graphics for your website or emails. You don't need to be creative or know design rules at all. Trust me, I am not a creative person, but Canva gives you templates that you can just drag and drop and type whatever in that you need to. Consistency is what builds trust, not complicated design. They do have a free plan plan, but I personally have the Pro plan. They just have a lot more templates and they have a lot of AI features like background remove, as you can see right here. But in terms of affiliate marketing, something that I've been doing and adding to my newsletter is just weekly picks. I'll come into Canva and I'll take whatever my actual weekly picks are. I'll remove the background image. So as you can see, I wanted to do this. I can remove the background. Again, that's not the best example, but even for this one, as you can see, I removed the background. I had to customize it a bit, but it just makes it really, really easy. And you can even export with a transparent background. So you don't even have this white background on your email. It just shows these pics, which is really cool. What's also cool about Canva, and again, this is on the Pro and not the free plan, you can create a brand kit and you can assign colors, fonts, logos, and everything like that. And you can have it all in one place, which is really powerful. Then when you come to edit, let's just say you wanted to change a brand color or something like that, your brand kit right here, which is really cool. And then you can come in here and change it and customize everything so you have all of your brand colors, fonts, text, everything right in one place as you're editing your affiliate picks. I just wanted to show you the pricing of the Pro plan. Unless you're a team, then maybe you need more of the business, but the free plan, you still get a lot. You still get designs and templates and everything like that. Oh, you actually do get one brand kit. I think that might be new because the brand kit used to only be for the Pro plan. So I think that's not the case anymore. So that's cool. Again, you get more tools and templates and, more storage. So, and you can also plan your social content. But again, start with the free plan. And if you need to upgrade, you can always do that. Again, we do have that link down in the description below. Okay, tool number 4 is Bluehost. So this is where you host your website. I know a lot of people try to delay building a site because it feels like extra work, but having your own website really becomes such a powerful long-term tool. It gives you a home base to send people to so they can learn about you and easily find your recommended tools. Bluehost is very beginner friendly. They have simple setups and you can install WordPress with one click. You don't need to build a fancy site. You can literally start with 2 pages. Like one page could be about you and then the other is your tools and resources page where you can list all the products you recommend. Later, you can add blog posts or guides that naturally rank in search and bring traffic in. You can even have your link to sign up for your free tool or whatever to get an email from them as well. So with Bluehost, they actually make it really, really simple. So to create a new website, you just click add website and you click install WordPress, continue, and then you can name your title and then the WordPress dashboard. This is what it looks like. So I know it looks complex, but honestly, all you need to do, this is a hack, come to appearance and themes. I really like the Blocksy theme. It just makes it so much easier and they have a bunch of free starter sites. You'll want to click the themes up here if it's not already installed. Then you'll come to Blocksy and then you'll go to starter sites and you can see they have a bunch of really great free starter sites that make it really easy to edit. Tool number 5 is Amazon Associates. So Amazon is such an easy way to start because you can recommend everyday items, books, tools, equipment, home products, and lifestyle items. People already trust Amazon too, which just makes it easier for beginners to earn their first commission. Amazon is free to sign up for, and once you're approved, you can start linking products you talk about. If you're sharing your routine, your office setup, or your favorite tools for working from home, you can link everything you actually use. This is also great if you're doing UGC or short form content because viewers tend to ask where you got things, and linking to Amazon is such a natural answer. Also, Amazon products ship so fast that a lot of times if there is another option of buying from somewhere else in Amazon, people want Amazon because they want that instant gratification and they want it sent to their doorstep the next day. Over time, you can always branch into higher ticket programs, maybe software affiliates and niche products, but Amazon is such a great starter because it helps you learn the flow and build your confidence. Which tools should you start with? I know it can feel intimidating to grab every tool and try to set everything up at once, but the fastest way to build affiliate income is to actually start simple and then layer things in. If you're brand new, I would just start with Beehiiv. You want a place for people to stay connected with you. Think about it like building your community from day one. Even if it feels like no one's joining at first, the act of sending one email a week builds your voice and your confidence, and it creates a warm audience who gets used to learning from you. Next, pair Beehiiv with Canva. These two tools together can help you start showing up online and building your audience. Canva helps you create simple content, and then you drive people to join your email list through Beehiiv. That's your basic engine, a place for people to find you and a place for them to stay connected. After you got these two going, the next tool is to layer in Amazon Associates. Sometimes it does take a second to get approved, so make sure you are doing that maybe ahead of time. It's the easiest affiliate program to start with. You can begin recommending small products you love, practicing creating content around them, and that gives you early traction and just teaches you the rhythm of recommending products naturally without feeling pushy. Once you start seeing engagement, growth, and momentum, then it makes more sense to bring on Bluehost. The reason I suggest waiting until this stage is because once you have an audience, even if it's small, your website has purpose. You're building something people are actually visiting. Then later, when you're ready to scale, you can move into something more like ActiveCampaign for automation. At that point, you have content, a voice, a list, and a website. Automation becomes fuel on top of the foundation you've already built. I know there's so much information out there about affiliate marketing, and it can feel like you need every tool right away, or you're falling behind. But the truth is, you can grow in layers and still get amazing results. Start with the basics, stay consistent, and build a real ecosystem around your content. These tools are going to help you do that in a very clean and simple way. If you want to try any of the platforms and tools that we talked about in this video, all of these links are down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real online income with simple systems and clear steps without the pressure to already be an expert. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.